guys, and welcome to Undertale. As you see, I have the camera now. I also have an editing system, so hopefully I can figure it out and get it done. I play with this. I don't play Xbox, but I play with their controllers. I love that Papyrus and Sans are on the screen, and Toriel's sleeping reading a book. That is so cute. So please be nice to me. This is my first time ever recording with a camera, and I'm really going to try. I talk a lot with my hands, and if I look at the camera too much, let me know. I shouldn't though, because I'm playing a game. Alright. So, we had just come back here because I had failed beating Joshua and, Washua. Sorry, Washua, not Joshua. And, now we're doing this instead. We're redoing this puzzle. Which, you guys don't know this, and I will let y'all in on a secret. I have done this puzzle today alone 6 times, because I was trying to figure out the recording. So I was playing around with the recording devices and my headset and trying to make sure my voice recorded and trying to make sure the music recorded, and it wasn't working no matter what I did, and so I had to go and I had to look up stuff. Ring! So I've read this a few times, but it also helped me because where my camera was sitting was blocking text. Now it's sitting over here, so it's not blocking text anymore. And I'm looking at it, so this is me looking. Right here is my camera, so I'm staring at it. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. I lost a hand. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a bandana. Is that true? Or are you wearing a bandana? What will you say? Yes? No. Yes. Of course I'm wearing a bandana. So you are wearing a bandana. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Click. Wow. That was a horrible Papyrus today. I don't know what I'm doing. Now my mom has me all thinking. I'm playing with my hair. I'm trying to be more of an extrovert, and I'm hoping that this helps me. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart and wished with all, your wish would come true. I'm self-conscious because I make a lot of faces. That's how I talk, so I'm like... Now, all we have are those sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. I think the sparkling stones on the ceiling are beautiful. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Oh, I can read everything. I'm so happy. Oh! Washua shuffles up. I might not be able to read some things that if they appear in where, like, right at the corner of my thing. But we'll see. Washua shuffles up. Washua! We don't want to fight Washua. We're gonna act. And remember, he's a germaphobe, so he wants to clean. You ask Washua to clean you. It hops around excitedly. I think it just stops right before it, so I think. Okay. Think about it. And my glasses are reflecting the light that's above me. It's kind of funny. And this wall will have stuff on it at one point. Right now it's just kind of bare, and I kind of feel weird. And I'm dying. Sorry. Oh god. Washua wonders if tears are sanitary. Oh, because I didn't get any of the freaking greens because I was choking Joshua. Washua. You asked Washua to clean. It hops around excitedly. Green means clean. Ah! Washua is looking for some good clean fun. Oh, no. Spare! You won! You earned 0 XP and 25 gold. Yay! Come on, sis. Make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. Oh. Look through the telescope? Yes. Check wall. Ah, Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Well, I kind of hope that the horoscope stays the same if you're looking at stones on the ceiling. Just saying. Oof. It's a bad day. Is he here yet? Ancient writings covered the walls. You can make out the word. You can just make out the words. The war of the humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to be persistent outside of the human body, even after death. Huh. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with an unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Yeah! And I do like the gender unspecific outfit, because it's not gender specific. Frisk is not gender specific. And I'm gonna have to do a run! Oh, I didn't think about that. This run is, gonna be hard. Damn it! Damn it! I forgot to heal. You cannot give up just yet. Chara, stay determined. Alright guys, we'll be back in a minute because I just failed epically. Oh wait, maybe not. Maybe they won't make me go all the way back. And I'm drinking Sprite. Yeah. Fucking undying. Oh crap, I should have healed. Damn it! Ah! Left, right, up, down, circle, squares! No, fuck. Run faster, Frisk! Ah, suck it! Into the bushes! This kid. She has it by its eye. And then she just leaves. She's like, fuck. Are you coming? There he is. Yo! Did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face again. Man, you are unlucky. If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure you will see her again. I love that he falls on his face. You didn't see it, but he falls on his face. His face plants and runs off. There will be like little things that you'll miss there. It's such a little spot though. It's okay. I'm not too worried about it. So, papyrus. Ring. Watch your step! Undyne really cares about this grass for some reason. This cheese has been here so long, magic crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak! happy about squeaking. I'm so happy about squeaking. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills you with determination. And yes, that's how I say determination every time. File saved. We have a lot of time into this. Look at sand! I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G's to use the premium telescope, but since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Use the telescope? Yes. It's broken. Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. The little circle. He's a prankster. Use the box? Yes. I'll just keep everything I have on me. Oh, he's so sad. I relocated my store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you get 3 cards, then you can trade them for free ice cream. They're sure to get a customer to come back. Ice cream, it's a further treat that warms your heart. Now just 25G. Yes. Super. Here you go. Your card's in the box. You got an ice cream. You got an ice cream. It's a frozen treat that warms your heart. And then I go over here. 2 bugs are playing a box, playing with a 3-card game. Take a card, take it. All games must end one day. You got the punch card. You got a punch card. The box contains 2 cards. Take a card, take it. You got a punch card. The box contains 1 card. Take a card, take it. You're carrying too much. Bah, humbug, I am not. Alright. We're not just gonna use my frickin' unicycle. No. No. That is not the point of this. Alright, so the point of this is to use the box. Yes. It's a frickin' get a free ice cream. The box contains 1 card. Take a card? Yes. You got a punch card. Hey, you have 3 punch cards. How about redeeming them for some ice cream? It's free! Yes. Here, a free ice cream. You lost 3 cards and got an ice cream. The ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? Not if you're touching and killing them. Not a star. Not a star. Left, right, down. We'll go right. Nope, no, we won't. Now I understand why all like the famous YouTubers like Mark and Jack are always like looking down in their videos because they're looking at the game, and where their camera's sitting, it's recording them. Now I understand why they have to look up a lot. You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? You heard a passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid. You just mercy these. Yay! You can wiggle sexily at them, but I'm not wiggling sexy at them. It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? You got the ballet shoes. And then we shall... Oh. Ballet shoes info. Ballet shoes. Weapon at... 7. These used shoes make you feel incredibly dangerous. I forget what the ones I have armor do. You got the ballet shoes. 29. Weapon attack 3 made of plastic. It's a rarity nowadays. Oh, nothing. These shoes make me feel dangerous. It just did a little hits. I'm so weird. I notice this more and more I play these games. I'm weird. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about your clothes? Well, a friend who wanted to know. Her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you knew that already. And because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. A bandana. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This way, you're safe, and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Papyrus! Being friends with everyone is easy. Click. Oh, Papyrus. It's not how it works. Aaron flexes in. Well, Aaron, we're gonna flex. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. The attack increases for you too. Flexing contest. Okay, flex more. Why do I just... I make like the weirdest face when I... Oh, this moves so much nicer than the other one did. Oh, it's a new controller. I just went and got it. Or I traded the one that I had in... Because I could still return it. And, he's all work. Everything works on it. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex harder. Aaron flexes thrice as hard. The attack increases for you too. Nice, I won't lose though. I make like a Grinch face when I talk as Aaron. Maybe Aaron is my Grinch. He is, because he's freaking... He's my anti-me. Aaron is ready for your next flex. Flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. Oh, Aaron. You won. You won! You earned 0 XP and 30 gold. It's so horrible at reading. Now how much car? It's gonna be a long day for Alex. Very long day. Bye, Multiple. I keep forgetting to talk. Talk. Blah, blah. That's what you gotta do. And I keep forgetting. I just bit my tongue really hard. You heard a passing conversation. Don't say that. Come on. I promise I won't laugh. That's like my Asriel Dreamer voice, really. The power to take their soul. This is the power that the human was feared. I'm so happy. Ta-da! Hey, there, you noticed. Hey, there, noticed you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? You coming, Onion-san? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? I'll love it. You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but... Hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city. Living in the crowded aquarium. Ear itch. Sorry, my ear really itched. Like all my friends did. Look, it's crying! And the aquarium's full anyway, so even if I wanted to, That's okay though, you hear? I'm gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm going to get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? I hear. Hey, there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time in Waterfall. I always do this just to make him happy. Onion-san! I'm so happy to see you. It's It's like, hey, come back. Shiren hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyways. Shiren, check. Shiren, attack 19, defense 0, tone deaf. She's too ashamed to sing her deadly song. Oh, Shiren! Smells like music. Conduct. You wave your arms wildly. You are now vulnerable to electric attacks. Shiren pretends to be a pop idol. Hum. You hum a funky tune. Shiren follows your melody. Siri, Siri, see me, see me. Shiren seems much more comfortable singing along. Yeah. You won! You earned 0 XP and 30 gold! Yay! Shiren's happy. The northern room hides a great treasure. Keep messing. Ooh. There's a piano here. Play it? No, not yet. A haunting song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. So, this power has no counter. Indeed, humans cannot take a monster's soul. When its monster dies, its soul disappears. And the incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There is only one exception. The soul of a special species of monster called a boss monster. A boss monster soul is strong enough to persist after death, if only for a few moments. A human could absorb the soul, but this has never happened, and now it never will. It's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Please take one. Take an umbrella? Take one. You took an umbrella! And then you come back here because it's raining on its head. Put the umbrella on the statue? Yes. You place the umbrella atop the statue. Inside the statue, a music box begins to play. Now, what Jacksepticeye didn't notice, and I did, was if you stand here long enough... Oh, do it. Now it's going to show me. See? It appears up at the top of the screen. What you have to do. So it's... Da, 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 da. I like this song. I hum it when I'm upset now. I also hung another one, but I won't mention that one yet. So it's... Play it? Yes. So oh, I forget. Fuck. Okay. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Sorry, we're back. Dandy dandy notebook time. Dandy dandy Mickey Mouse notebook. So it's circle, up, right, circle, down, down, right. See my writing is very simple. Don't hit the screen, Alex. All right, so I didn't do this last time. I just totally guessed it until I heard the music, because I'm vocally tone deaf, but I can hear the music because I used to play the cello. So I know how to play an instrument, I just don't know how to sing. So it's... Yay! I love that noise, because that's the noise that the greater dog makes. Ah, it's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? Take it. You're carrying too many dogs. So, virus. Ring. There's something annoying about this room. Virus is like, I'm on to you. Info. Annoying dog. Dog. A little white dog. It's fast asleep. Oops. You deploy the dog. The dog absorbs the artifact. Bye! Now, if you want to see the funniest thing that ever happened, in my opinion, go look at Jacksepticeye's Undertale videos and look for the part where he's in this part in Waterfall. And the dog takes that artifact because he is just flabbergasted. The artifact's gone because he worked so hard at it. It made me laugh so hard the first time I saw it. And this is his theme. That's the name of that song. We're gonna take an umbrella. We're gonna take another one. You took an umbrella. Yay, puddles. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome. Let's go. And he's like walking like not underneath the umbrella. I'm like, walk next to this kid. It's just a human. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night. Yeah, thanks. Knowing she was gonna beat me up. Yeah, I'm gonna leave your ass. Your little armless ass. I'd feel so bad. I'd be like, oh, you're armless. And I'd do that. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. And the king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to the school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to the school? She could beat up all the teachers. That's a wish. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. She wants to kill me! I'm innocent! This time. Where'd you go? Did you wanna look at this? In the castle in the distance? Because we can. Sorry, thirsty. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Put up your umbrella and climb on my shoulders. Yo, you aren't going to be able to climb with an umbrella. But I like the umbrella. Return the umbrella. Get back. You return the umbrella. Nope. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. He has no arms! Somebody hug that child! The humans are afraid of our power. Just declared war. The humans. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly, without mercy. The scenery, the serene sound of a music box in the disc. It fills you with determination. Fills me with anger. I can't read. I shouldn't be that angry. I shouldn't be that angry that I couldn't read a sentence. Okay. We're good. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful, and as monsters, too weak. Not a single soul was taken. Countless of monsters turned to dust. Aww. That seems a little harsh. Oh god. Run! That's this music too. It's called Run! Run! Yeah, second undead. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Stop, go, stop, go, stop, go! Shit! Dead end! Dead end! Panic! 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 Lots of panic! No! Oh shit! Go, 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 go. I know this is just panic. Panic. It's what it is. It's what it is for me. It's just panic. Oh god, it's not a dead end. Shit. No, it's not. Okay. Panic. Now it's dead end. No. No. Free, free falling. Sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Chara? Huh? That's a nice name. My name is... And yellow flowers. Why do I always land on these damn yellow flowers? The trash. It's trash. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Just garbage. Just garbage. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. The waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling of the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it fills you with determination! Why? Because it does. Trash though. Just garbage. Sorry, itchy face. My hair was making my face itchy. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. You rest your hand on a rusty bike. It horn wheezes in the honk of despair. Aww. What's that noise? That's a honk of despair? Awesome. Just garbage. A beat-up desktop computer. The inside is empty. Garbage. It's a cooler. It has no brand and shows no sign of wear. Inside are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Sure. You're carrying too much. Oh yeah, I'm carrying. It's a DVD case for an anime. Desperate claw marks over the cover's edges. A trash heap. It seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? No. You stare into each other's eyes for a moment. You got something to say? Apparently you do.
Too intimidated to fight me, huh? I'm the ghost that lives inside the dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought there were in for a nice chat. But the things you said horrible, shocking, unbelievable. It spooked them right out of their dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul out of your body.
Okay, so I have to tell you guys, my phone noise is that heart when I go into an attack, so every time I hear it, I look at my phone to make sure that it's not my phone going off. Mad Dummy blocks your way. Mad Dummy, check. Mad Dummy, attack 30. Defense, yes, because there goes physical attacks will fail.
Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful! Ow, you dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks!
Hey, you. Forget I said anything about magic. Mad Dummy is looking nervous. Talk? You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this.
I'll defeat you and take your soul!
Ow. Don't hit the dummies. Mad Dummy is doing an armless shock attacks. Mad Dummy. And I can attack the dummy all day long and it won't do anything.
Foolish, foolish, foolish! Even if you attack my vessel, it'll never hurt me. I'm incorporeal, you dummy!
Wait, is dummy a compliment? That dummy is hopping mad. Love yourself. I love you. Your HP was maxed out.
I'll use your soul to cross the barrier.
Over here. Sorry. I still got hit. Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over the top. He's so pissed off. I love it. And we'll fight him.
I'll stand in the window of a fancy store.
Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box fight.
Then everything I want will be mine!
I just have to stand here. I totally missed him. Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over.
Huh. Yeah, I guess that'll avenge my cousin.
Oh. Over here. Get him. Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box.
What was their name again?
Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box. We're gonna have a Cinnabon. You ate the cinnamon bunny. Your HP was maxed out.
Whatever!
Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box. He's the one monster you can actually attack.
Foolish! Hey guys! Dummies! Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures! You're all fired! You're all being replaced! Now you'll see my true power. Relying on people that aren't garbage.
Mechanical whirls fill the room. My throat hurts from doing that last sequence. Sorry. Really need that.
Dummy bots, magic missiles!
Okay. Oh, I totally missed him. Mad Dummy is doing an armless I just so entertained myself.
Dummy bots, dragon!
Damn it, he's not over there! Mad Dummy glares into a mirror, then turns to you with the same expression.
Dummy bots, you're awful!
Haha! Mad Dummy is hopping mad.
Dummy bots, final attack!
Eh. Yeah, hit him!
No way! These guys are even worse than the other guys! Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends! I've got knives!
I'm out of this.
But that doesn't matter! You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you! We'll be stuck in this! You'll be stuck fighting me! Forever! 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 What the heck is this? Acid rain? Oh, forget it! I'm out of here!
Bye. Oh, no, sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? Oh, as soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys looked like you were having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. Well, I'm going to head home now. Oh, and feel free to come with if you want, but no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. I just thought I'd help. Hey, my house is up here, in case you want to see, or just in case you don't. It's so quiet. I have to do like a quiet, like kind of whisper for him, because like that's kind of how I feel he would talk. You feel a calming tranquility. You are filled with determination. It's a determination! Determination. North Block, Bluke's Acres, East Hotlands. Tammy's Village. He's like, oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much. Make yourself at home. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Yes. You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it. Never mind. After a great meal, I like to lie on the floor and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? Yes. Okay. Follow my lead. Here we go. You'll lie down as long as you don't move. So, only move around when you want to get up, I guess. I want to know how he's wearing headphones. That's what I want to know about this ghost. And I'm laying here for a few seconds because I want this to happen. I'm so happy. Okay, so I thought the camera was going to be hard, and it is. But it's getting easier as I go because I'm talking more because I know you guys can see me, and so you can see what I'm doing. And stuff like that. And I really need another drink because that dummy killed me. It's an obscenely big cup, and it's like the size of my fist. Okay. We're gonna get up. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch sometimes. Sorry. The computer's internet browser is open to a music sharing form. There's a computer internet browser open to the music sharing form. It's a spider web. There's a flyer on it for a bake sale. There's a flyer for a bake sale on it. You really cannot read. This CD is labeled Gula Day Music. Play it? Play. You played the CD. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! That's what it is. This CD is labeled Spook Wave. Play it? Play it. You played the CD. The CD is labeled Spook Tunes. Play it? Play it. Oh, a classic spook tune. They don't make sounds like this anymore. No, let's see if I can get them. Yeah, they did. Their faces. What the heck is this music? I don't know, dude, but it's spooking me out. It's worse than Siren. No way. Siren is way less scary. Wink. You know, if you're so scared, why do you keep winking? These are winks of fear. Forget it. This beats this too. Filthy. Wash, wait, don't leave me. This creepy music is my punishment for being a creeper. Is this creepy music my punishment for being creepy? Please, stop. I'll never creep again. Oh god, I love it. What? It's living! Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Oh! I'm working right now. Welcome to the Blue Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm really not enjoying it. This place used to get a lot of business, but everything else disappeared. Now it's just some area that shows. This snail is counting dollar bills. I've been long overdue for a second house. Snail, a long journey extends in front of you. Snail, reach forward, stretch beyond the horizons. Snail, so snail example for you. It's a snail. For some reason, you can't help but wonder what it tastes like. So creepy. Do you want to play a game? It's called Undertale. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. It's 10G to play. Play! Okay. Press Z repetitively to encourage your snail. Okay, so think SpongeBob SquarePants at this point. Ready? Here we go! It's a horse back! It's in its shell! It's on fire! I can't do much more damage to this poor snail. Race end. Looks like you encouraged your snail. All that pressure to succeed, but it got to her. Oh crap, I love this game so much. feel calming tranquility. You're filled with determination. Hey guys, and that's where we're going to end this Undertale. If you liked what you saw today, how about you leave a like and a comment in the sections below? And if you really liked what you saw, give me a subscribe and I will continue to make more videos. I'm hoping to get more content soon. Also, if you have any tips or hints about editing, let me know. And thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.